Neal Nsheppard right here at Willies at Akins Ford in Weiner, Georgia. Some call me Real Deal Neal. I'm going to show you why these 8 accessories are a must-have for your next F-150. Let's go. So you take a 2021 Akins Ford F-150 Lariat Diamond in iconic silver, and we just make it even more precious by doing our Covert Edition package. There are 8 accessories on this truck by Willies Custom Accessories. Gotta love that, y'all. And from a first glance, you may say Real Deal. I don't see 8 accessorized upgrades, but that's what we're here to go over today. So we have the True Legit Fox Roush 2-inch coilover. True, this is your best option as far as a level kit application. Ride quality is great. Just a beefier, more plush riding and capable system. Gotta love that. Also comes with Fox shocks in the rear also. 2.0s, Performance Series. We've got rear wheel well liners from Ford also. So we're on 2 so far, y'all. Then we've got 295, 60/20 Nitto Ridge Grapper tire, that hybrid tire, which is the #1 tire in the country. We're at 3 now. We've got paint protection film throughout. Door edge guards, you can see it ever so slightly. Door edge cups as well, just gives you more protection. That's 4. Lumar window tint, guaranteed for life. That's 5. You jump into the Lariat interior and you know we got a legit game changer of an interior. You got the nice perforated leather with the, I call it that wine color accents throughout. Nice piping. WeatherTech floor mats, we're at 6. Then we've got the big, bad, beautiful 12-inch touchscreen. The interior is just so legit on the 2021 14th Gen. You got 360 camera on this one also. Just nice subtleties all over the place. And the iconic silver really shows off and showcases the body lines of this 14th Gen. It really showcased 15 and above very well. That had ingot silver. Now it's iconic. It's a more deep, rich, premium overall color. Love that Lariat grill up front. And then the chrome package still works. And a lot of you don't like the chrome, but I still think it works, especially when just done tastefully and correct. Number 7, we have a Akins spray and liner guaranteed for life. And then we did a Hypertech Speedo cal to get the speedometer calibrated correctly. So we're 2 inches taller on tires, so we would be in that 4 miles per hour off range. So we wanted to make sure that our speedo is correct as always. Pause here for options from the factory and our Covert upgrade. We're at $73,563 before discount. And you can see all the equipment this 501A has. Just a beautiful overall truck with a great package to enhance the overall experience. Now we typically add bed cover, and we can go up to 10, 12, 13 items on the truck, but these 8 are ones that we feel are just can't miss items that truly enhance the overall vehicle. A bed cover could be said at the same token because it gives you dry, secure, lockable storage. So what I'm getting at is come see us for all your needs. We know what you, the customer, need, wants, and has intentions for using their truck in many different ways. That's what we're thinking about always, you, the customer. And this one is available for sale as of the 14th of September at 2021. Can you believe it's already September? We've got more Coverts rolling out on the daily, so stay tuned for more from us by hitting that subscribe button, bing, and the like button as well. That way we make sure these videos get pushed to great customers and followers like you that want to see how they could tweak their truck to be Covert legit. I'm Real Deal Neal. As always, thank you so much. Peace.